Smash into a spot, man.
It was me. Yes, I did it like this. Fucking windy.
What does that mean?
Means you were higher than twice the legal limit.
Twice in legal minute?
Amazing. A booby trap that actually catches boobies.
Please, no more.
Dad, I'm scared.
Get the phone. Call 911. Lois, get in here. Okay. I think it's all gone. I think it's...
Wow, I just saved myself $150. Shoo!
Look, I found all three differences. Those are two completely different pictures.
Morse Mutual.
Hey guys, if you're gonna play video games with your girl, just let her listen to the game while you play.
Just saying the N-word.
No.
Grab it, click it, rip it.
Up to 200 scale miles per hour.
Pick it up.
All-terrain action.
Off-road through mud.
What the? That's literally the edge of the universe.
Hey, where are these hoses at? Hey! Fuck your life. Bing bong.
Peter, what are you doing? Crack? What the fuck?
Unfortunately, this shithole has more fucking leaks than the Iraqi Navy.
Fuck yourself.
I'm tired from fucking your wife.
How's your mother?
Good, she's tired from fucking my father. Good.
Hey, buddy. I know you guys are thinking about having kids, but I just wanted to bring mine over and show you what you're getting yourself into. He made a mask out of a Texas toast box today and insisted he wore it to Kroger's. Do you understand the looks I got? Come here, show him this. This is what I had to walk next to.
I like it.
Well, yeah.
Tell what you done yet. When I look at you in your eyes, I see there's something burning inside you. Oh, inside you. In your eyes, I know it hurts to smile, but you.
Bro, like, this is so dumb. Look at this. I'm taking a piss. I can literally see over the...
You wanna come in?
Would you rather watch a tree grow or a knee grow? Oh my God.
Hey, I'm here.
Oh, hey, what's up? Look at this.
What's that?
It's end crystals. Don't touch it though. Yeah.
It looks pretty. Can I touch it?
No, don't touch it. No, don't
Please,
don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't.
This is the perfect way to measure an egg while baking. Press the egg firmly down into the mix, crack the egg, and drop the egg down into the hole. Perfect measurement.
I have a question. Okay, would you punch Mom in the face as hard as you could? Like,
yeah, I would. What else?
It was for $1 billion.
I would do that for free.
Oh. Girl, take the potatoes. Oh, I thought you was toasting the plate.
Oh, come on! That's it.
Every time I watch one of these videos, I immediately think that this must be what it was like when the cavemen discovered fire for the first time. You close your eyes and tell me that those aren't excited monkey noises.
Whoops.
No, I am a reasonable, sane human being.
44 make them.
She even made a fucking iron farm. I don't make this shit. I don't fucking make iron farms. My mom's more dedicated at this shit than me. She's been watching so many tutorial videos. What the fuck? She made a giant portal. What the fuck? The golf farm. She made a fucking golf.
Yo, what the hell, man?
I woke up and somebody stole my fucking porch.
Billy, why is there a porch in the back of your Tahoe?
Mind your fucking business, that's why.
Is that Danielle's porch?
I told her when I got done painting that, if she didn't pay me, I was taking something.
And you take her fucking porch?
You're goddamn right.
Hello, Laura. Love, what are you doing there then?
I'm burying my goldfish.
Oh dear, what a shame. Still, it's only a goldfish, I suppose, isn't it? But why are you digging such a big hole, you silly thing?
Because it's inside your fucking cat.
POV play Minecraft at 4 a.m.
Oh, this ought to actually be good. Maybe the mustache is going to age me. We're going to see. I am 26.
Hey, yo, there's a portal. Break the spawner. I got the silverfish.
Yeah, I got the spawner.
I got it. I got one. Alright, here's another one. Now they're coming out of the wall! They're coming out of the wall! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't know what to do!
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. He's new. Oh.
What have you done to me, you fucking bitch?
I tried baking bread, but instead I just baked a brick.
Reasons you should stay alive. Potatoes.
I can't argue. That's a good ass.
How you so steady with it? They say you have your pockets swollen. You gotta show me this shit. Better tell you how I'm doing this shit. My lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
I was wondering why this thing had 2 slips on it, because I was like, oh, usually there's only one. Maybe it's a manufacturing error. There's a fucking little guy in here. Look it up.
Parkour!
I make the bed, and she gives me
Happiness?
happiness. Can't suck my
Y'all I teach ninth graders. Ninth graders don't think before they say things. I pulled this kid out in the hallway the other day. I was like, look, dude, you're on your phone. You're being disrespectful in my classroom. I'm going to go talk to your mom. He goes, Mr. Ferris, my mom is married. So in this kid's mind, he thought that him being on his phone in my classroom pissed me off so badly, I was going to go to his house and fuck his mom.
And I see Morgan do her makeup. What?
Do you love me?
Fuck off. What fat bastard?
I know I'm a fat bastard.
What?
I'm sorry.
Let me see if the Zaza are laced. Could be, probably not.
You gonna come here to have sex with a 14-year-old boy?
Nah, he came here to have sex with a grown man. Yes, sir. That's what he came here to have sex with. I'm ready.
Do something spooky.
The 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Long ways to drive.
What is my advice for young people? Die.
We are trying.
Eric, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Don't do that.
Y'all, this is the fucking coffee that ruined my day.
What a fantastic day! My fucking exhaust fell off. However, upgrade.
Look at this toilet paper holder. Such a genius design.
When your boyfriend is clueless.
You got my phone?
Babe, seriously?
What?
How do you know that you lost your phone?
You
That
just
left
showed
it?
me.
Oh, cool. I love these things.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom.